September is Sickle Cell Awareness Month, and tonight on the 5:30, we are learning more about one organization that's helping people in our community who are navigating sickle cell disease. And I'm joined in studio now by our Chelsea Swift. Chelsea, it's such an interesting conversation when you talk about sickle cell.
Claudine, that's right. The founder of the nonprofit, Juanita McLean, says this weekend is Sickle Cell Warrior Sneaker Ball fundraiser. Through her work, McLean advocates for warriors to have greater access to health care. Juanita McLean was only a few months old when she had her first sickle cell crisis. Sickle cell disease is a group of inherited blood disorders that causes abnormalities in red blood cells. According to the CDC, the disease affects about 100,000 people in the United States, and more than 90% are African American, and an estimated 3 to 9% are Hispanic or Latino. In addition to her work with the nonprofit, McLean is an educator who continues to persevere after losing her gallbladder and navigating life with a dysfunctional spleen.
I still get up every day and I stay encouraged and I stay just doing my best no matter what. Even days when I'm in pain, I still have to keep going and still just be who I am every day, and that's an advocate, a mother, and a teacher.
She is so resourceful, and the group is so resourceful that has helped us with Drew as he's starting to transition to adulthood.
Melanie Agahue is a caretaker of her son Drew.
He's a senior in high school. I can't believe it because it seems like yesterday I got the call that he had sickle cell disease, and that was at 2 weeks old.
Agahue says with Sickle Cell Warriors, she's not alone. Other parents are helping their kids try to live a normal life as well. Mother and daughter Sonia and Mariah Williams say it hasn't been an easy journey, adding Mariah has endured multiple life or death situations.
The number of physicians that she has to see, the providers, the specialists, it's a long list. Like, it literally is a full-time job just to manage her health care and all the complications that she suffers.
Mariah Williams says monthly meetings with other sickle cell warriors are making a difference. Agahue says she's learned about essential resources.
There are doctors to be in contact with and other organizations that support and donate. And it's just really a lovely community.
Sickle Cell Warriors has gotten us in contact with pharmaceutical companies, so we know what's up and what's on the horizon as far as different medicines.
Really, what's important is having a big community, supporters, family who can understand what you're going through, aren't judgmental, and just kind of help walk you through the tough parts of life and make the darker days seem a little brighter.
Last weekend, the Warriors celebrated with their 6th annual walk, and as I mentioned, this weekend is their Sneaker Ball fundraiser where families can get dressed up but stay comfortable in their sneakers.
So what are some ways that people are battling the disease? I'm very familiar with sickle cell, but I know there's always that need for blood.
Definitely. There's a big need for blood. So I learned that blood transfusions are a common treatment for sickle cell disease, and it can help reduce symptoms and complications because with that transfusion, it replaces those sickled red blood cells and they get ones from the donor that are healthy and they're able to lead a healthier life.
You're right about that. Thank you so much for bringing us that story because awareness is so needed for people who are battling sickle cell. We appreciate that story, Chelsea.
Thanks, Claudine.